question. It is given that Yamini and Fatima, there are two students of class 9, together contribute rupees 100 towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund. मतलब दोनों ने साथ में मिलकर 100 रुपए का फंड किया. Write a linear equation which satisfies the data. Let's suppose the country, and we have to represent this on the graph paper. So let us first suppose the contribution of both the students. So let the contribution of there are two students. One is Yamini, that is rupees X, and Fatima, that is rupees Y. So now they both contribute together rupees 100. So total contribution is 100 rupees. Total contribution, that is rupees 100. So we know, friends, how the equation is formed. The sum of these two is equals to 100. Thus how the equation is formed. As we have to represent this on the graph paper, so let's make X as a subject. So it would be 100 minus Y. As we discussed earlier also, we have to get at least 3 coordinates to represent this on the graph paper. So let's suppose the 3 values for Y, because it is in the equation, to obtain the value of X. अब देखो यहाँ पे if I go for 0, मतलब फातिमा 0 कंट्रीब्यूशन कर रही है और यामिनी 100, वो थोड़ा अजीब गरीब लगेगा. It won't be 100% correct, हो भी सकता है, but we should take such values that is fine, कि it can be possible. तो हम suppose करेंगे, let's y equals to 50, so we can say x is equals to 100 minus 50, so it is 50. मतलब both have contributed equal amount, that is 50 rupees. If I go y is equals to 40, so value of x is equals to 100 minus 40, that is 60. That means this is 60 and this is 40. So she is contributing 40 and she is contributing 60. We can change also. If y is equals to 60, then x is equals to 100 minus 60, that is 40. So we interchange the value. So as we obtain the 3 solutions, now let us represent this 3 solutions on the graph paper. So first is x 50 and y is also 50. So let us see where this value should be exist. So here x is 50 and y is also 50. So here they are supposed to be intersect. That is the first contribution, that is 50-50. Next contribution, that is the value 60 and 40. X is 60 and y is 40. So they're supposed to be here, that is 60 and 40. Now we'll represent the next value, that is 40-60. That means x is 40, at that time y is 60. So this is the third value, that is x 40 and y 60. So let us draw a line which passing through all these 3 points. So we can say all these 3 points are the collinear. The equation is x plus y is equals to 100. So thus this equation can also be represented on the graph as we have discussed. Let's see the last question of this exercise. In this question you can see that is a relation between the 2 unit of the temperatures are given. The question, it is mentioned that in a country like USA and Canada, the temperatures are measured in the Fahrenheit degree, and here in the India it is represented in the Celsius. As we know, the temperature in India is Celsius, but हमें पता है कि whenever we have the fever, we say that we have the 102, 103 fever, so that is in the Fahrenheit, not in the Celsius. So here that is a relation between the Fahrenheit and the Celsius is given. So look at the first question. Remember students, it is an important question. So the first question it is given, we have to draw the graph of this relation. We have to take the Celsius as x-axis and Fahrenheit as y-axis. So if we will substitute this as x and f as y, so our equation will be y is equals to 9 upon 5 into x plus 32. So we can see already y is a subject of this equation and x is already in the equation. So let us get at least 3 different coordinates to represent this on the graph paper. As x is in the equation, so we will suppose for x. Let us go for x0. So we obtain the value of y, 9 upon 5 into 0 plus 32. We know that 0 multiplied with any number is always the same number. So first value we obtain, that is 32. When x0, that means 0 degree Celsius is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Now see the next value I will suppose for x is in the terms of 5 or multiple of 5. Because here the denominator is 5. So let me go for x as 5. So the value of y is equals to 9 upon 5 into 5 plus 32. So this both the 5 will be cancelled. So 9 plus 32, that is 41. So x is 5, y is 41. So this is another value we will obtain. We can go for x as 10. But if I go for 10, we can say that this value is 18 plus 32, that is greater. So let's go for the another value, that is minus 5. So y is equals to 9 upon 5 into minus 5 plus 32. Again this both the values cancel. Minus 9 plus 32, that is 23. So another value is minus 5 and 23. Now let us represent this value on the graph paper, which I have already prepared here. So you can see here that I have taken the gap of 5 on the x and y axis. Here the axis is considered as the Celsius. This y axis is considered as degree Fahrenheit. So let us represent this value. When x0, y 32, x is 0. So 32 we know that it comes between 30 and 35. If you have the 5 line graph, it is on the second line. So this is the value, that is 0 and 32. Let's go for one more value. When x is 5, y is 41. So look at here, the x is 5 and y is 41. We know that 41 it comes just above the 40. So that could be somewhere here. That is 5 and 41. One more value is there, minus 5 and 23. So x is minus 5 and y is 23. So somewhere it comes here. So this is the value. Now let us draw a line which passing from all this point. This is the line. We can say that it's collinear points. And the equation is y is equals to 9 upon 5c plus 32. So this is how we can obtain the graph of relation between Fahrenheit and degree Celsius. We'll continue with the second question. It is here that if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, degree Celsius is 30 degree, then what will be the value in the Fahrenheit? So let us substitute this value. So F is equals to 9 upon 5 into 30 plus 32. 5 6 are 9 6 are 54 plus 32. So it is 86 value will come. So when the degree Fahrenheit is 30 degree, Celsius 30 degree, the Fahrenheit is 86. Let us see one more question. The third number. If the temperature is F is given, degree 95 Fahrenheit, then what will be the Celsius? So let us here in this equation, we will substitute F as 95. So 9 upon 5 into C plus 32. To get the value C, first we have to take this 32 to the left hand side. 95 minus 32 is 9 upon 5 into C. We can subtract this, so it will be 63 is equals to 9 upon 5 into C. To obtain the value of C, we will take both the terms left hand side. As they are in the product, when they will come on the left hand side, we have to multiply with the inverse number. So 5 comes in the numerator, 9 comes in the denominator. So 9 sevens are. So here we can see that the value of C we obtain 7 5s are 35. So this is the answer of third question. Let us move towards the fourth number. It is said that if the temperature is 0 degree Celsius, then what is the Fahrenheit? Degree Celsius is 0, then we have to find out the Fahrenheit. So simply, we have already seen in the graph also. Let's see the same thing here. 9 upon 5 into 0 plus 32. 0 multiplied with any number is always 0. So we can say F is 32 degree Fahrenheit. One more is asked here. If we'll take degree Fahrenheit as 0 degree, then what will be the value of Celsius? So again we'll do the same thing. The value of C we will substitute 0. Now we will substitute F as 0 here. So 0 is equals to 9 upon 5 into C plus 32. First we need to take 32 left hand side will be negative. 9 upon 5 into C. Now we'll take this value left hand side. Again, as we have discussed earlier, 5 come in the numerator and 9 in the denominator. So no cancellation is there. So we'll simply do the multiplication. So minus 160 upon 9 Celsius. This is the value of Celsius we obtained. Now let's see the last question, and which is the most important. And this question can come in the objective also. It's very important question. What the question is asked, is there a temperature in which numerically the same in both the Fahrenheit and the Celsius? मतलब ऐसा कोई वैल्यू है जो Fahrenheit और Celsius सेम आ रहा है. So let's do one thing. How to find out that which numerical value? कौन सा ऐसा वैल्यू होगा जो Celsius या Fahrenheit सेम होगा? तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Let us consider F and C are the same values. So we will substitute F as C or C as F. हम कुछ भी करें. So let's keep F as it is. And I'll convert the C into F. As we discussed earlier. F is same as C. मतलब Fahrenheit और Celsius हम same ले कर रहे हैं. Simplify करेंगे पहले इधर. तो F is equals to 9F. Plus this must be product with each other. That means I have taken the LCM. Now this 5 comes here on the left hand side. So 5F is equals to 9F plus 160. Let me take 160 left hand side and this to the right hand side. Minus 160 is equals to 9F minus 5F. This both must be subtracted. So that is 4F. Now I'll take this 4 left hand side comes in the denominator. So minus 40. So remember here the answer we obtain minus 40. That means minus 40 degree Fahrenheit is same as minus 40 degree Celsius. अगर आप F की जगह minus 40 रखोगे, so in this equation the value of C obtain minus 40. या आप C की जगह minus 40 रखोगे, so you can get the value of F is also minus 40.